Kamado Joe Pellet Joe Grill. Get 15% off today. The Kamado Joe Pellet Joe Grill is the ultimate grilling machine for BBQ lovers who want precise temperature control, wood-fired flavor, and the convenience of pellet grilling, all in one beautifully designed Kamado-style grill. Whether you're a backyard BBQ enthusiast or a seasoned pitmaster, the Pellet Joe delivers unmatched performance for smoking, grilling, roasting, and even baking. And right now, you can get 15% off this premium grill, making it the perfect time to upgrade your outdoor cooking game. Why choose the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe? Wood-fired flavor with pellet convenience. Unlike traditional charcoal Kamado grills, the Pellet Joe uses premium hardwood pellets, allowing you to infuse your food with rich, smoky flavors while maintaining consistent, hands-free cooking. Plus, with this exclusive 15% off discount, there's no better time to enjoy the best of pellet grilling with Kamado-style efficiency. Smart control for effortless cooking. The Pellet Joe features an advanced Wi-Fi-enabled digital controller, letting you adjust temperatures precisely from 225 degrees for low and slow smoking to 600 degrees for high-heat searing. Control it all from your smartphone. Set it, forget it, and let the grill do the work. And don't forget, for a limited time, you get 15% off. Durable ceramic construction for unmatched heat retention. Kamado Joe is known for its high-quality ceramic grills, and the Pellet Joe is no exception. This heavy-duty ceramic design provides incredible heat retention, ensuring efficient fuel usage and even cooking. With 15% off, you're investing in a long-lasting, high-performance grill at an unbeatable price. Innovative airlift hinge and SlōRoller technology. Airlift hinge reduces dome weight for effortless opening and closing. SlōRoller Hyperbolic Insert, designed to enhance smoke circulation for the ultimate low and slow BBQ experience. And with 15% off, you get all these premium features at a discount that won't last long. Versatile cooking for every meal. Whether you're grilling juicy burgers, slow smoking ribs, baking crispy pizzas, or roasting vegetables, the Pellet Joe handles it all. The large cooking space accommodates big meals, making it perfect for family gatherings, tailgates, and weekend BBQs. And remember, you're getting 15% off, so why wait? Why buy the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe Grill now? Premium ceramic Kamado-style construction for superior heat retention. Smart Wi-Fi control for precise temperature adjustments from anywhere. Works with hardwood pellets for amazing wood-fired flavor. Versatile cooking options: smoke, grill, roast, and bake. 15% off limited time discount. The best deal on this high-end grill. Get 15% off the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe today. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with the Kamado Joe Pellet Joe at an exclusive 15% off discount. Click the link below before this deal disappears. Shop now. Insert link here. Don't miss your chance to own a top-tier pellet grill that offers unmatched flavor, ease of use, and durability, all at 15% off.